Just drop the bass.
On Monday, September 29th, we are kicking off our age-specific events with high school scavenger hunt. The next day on Tuesday, college is going to Uptown Alley for some bowling, food, and fun. And finally, on Saturday, October 4th, junior high will be at Jump Street, so make sure to stop by the info table for more information. Hey Surge, if you bring 5 of your friends for Rep Your School Night, you can enter for a chance to win 6 free tickets to Bubba's Bash on October 11th. It will be an awesome concert filled with fun and energy, so make sure to bring your friends. That's it for this week's announcements. For more information, stop by the info table after service or hit us up on the web at thesurgeaz.com.